Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I'll be showing you how to install Scarlet on your iOS device without jailbreak, without a PC, and without getting revoked. Plus, I'll guide you on how to use Scarlet to install IPA files easily on your iPhone and iPad. And before we dive in, big shout out to today's sponsor, iOS Boom. If you're looking for affordable paid certificates that won't get revoked, then iOS Boom is the only solution you need. Check out their website for some amazing deals. Plus, you can get 10 paid 1-year certificates for free by entering the simple giveaway. More on that later, so stay tuned. Now, once you get your paid certificate from iOS Boom, it comes with 3 files in it: P12 file, mobile provision file, and then text file with password in it. Next, you need to download the Scarlet IPA file as well in your iOS device. Once you have both files ready, now open Safari and then open iOS Boom Signer website. I will put the link in the description. Now first, in IPA section, hit on Upload a file and then select the Scarlet IPA file. Then on P12 certificate section, hit on Upload a file and then select the P12 file from your paid certificate folder. Then in Mobile Provisioning Profile section, hit on Upload a file and then select the mobile provision file from your paid certificate folder. Then enter the P12 password and hit Sign IPA. Then hit Install Application and then hit Install to install Scarlet in your iOS device. Now you will see Scarlet will be installed in your iOS device. Now open the Scarlet and then hold the arrow down button on top. Then hit on Manage Certs, then hit on Import Cert, and then select the P12 file and mobile provision file from your paid certificate folder, and then enter the P12 password, and then hit Import. Now simply hit on your imported paid certificate, and now you are good to install any IPA file in your iOS device. Now simply hit the arrow down button, and then select the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device. That's it, your IPA file is now installed and ready to use. Now, if you want to win paid 1-year certificates for free, here's how. Go to my backup channel, subscribe to the channel, like any video on the backup channel. Comment certificate below on any video. That's it, you're now entered into the giveaway. I will announce the winner on 30th March 2025. And that's how you install Scarlet without jailbreak, without a PC, and without getting revoked. Plus, you now know how to use Scarlet to install IPA files easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome iOS content. Also, don't forget to check out iOS Boom for the best paid certificates. I'll see you in the next video.